Alright guys, this is the reveal of the bottom part of the garage loft project basically done, and how I've kind of set things up in the garage in front of the loft too. So hope you like it. Boom. Alright guys, I've been able to get enough stuff cleaned out where I'm got the bikes lined up here around the front of the loft. My plan is to keep our Cowies, or our race bikes, lined up the way they are in front there, and then the other bikes keep over here. I'm going to get rid of this table eventually. The Maximo display is probably going to end up inside the loft. I haven't decided yet. I've got two outlets over here so we can run tenders, because all our future Cowies will be electric start. Two outlets there. I've got two outlets there. And let's go inside. Alright guys, after doing some measuring, I decided to go with both lifts in here, but I put the bike lift up there. I think there's still plenty of room to get around it. I've got the quad lift here, which hopefully will never be used again as a quad lift, so I don't have the ends on it right now. Got this YZ250F on it. This is probably going to be a tear-down bench of some sort. Of course, this is the old suspension bench, which I still have to remove the vise. Toolbox in the corner. There's the stand behind the door. Here's my new suspension bench, which obviously the old soft jaw is going to move here. I'm going to put another vise here eventually. But right now, it's just become a catch-all table. I've got a lot of videos to do. I've got a lot of stuff to go through. But still a lot of work to do upstairs. But I've got a rolling box there with the mini fridge and the fan on top. Got my computer sitting right there for now. I've got this box which needs cleaned, and this box which needs cleaned, and they can both roll around wherever I'm at, which will be nice. This box I store some long-term stuff in. I usually keep tubes and Cowie parts in this cabinet. That box does not belong to me, so it's just kind of in the corner right now. But yeah, I'm really liking this, guys. This little AC unit, even when it was this little floor unit, even when it was 97 outside, it was keeping it low to mid 70s in here, which is just a huge help. Alright guys, so now that you've seen the workshop, I've got some stuff I want to unpackage here. It's actually a couple of Guru merch tees, and ever since I put the merch on Teespring, I have got a few orders, but I actually haven't even got anything for myself yet until today, so I haven't even seen the quality. I don't know how well Teespring's doing. I don't know how good I did with uploading my logo. So let's walk over, unpackage it for the first time on camera, and check it out. Alright guys, here it is. I bought this for retail from Teespring just to see what quality the shirts were, what they looked like. You can see it hasn't been opened yet. And this is all live. Really should start carrying a knife, shouldn't I? Okay. Not bad. Wow. This is the gray extra large for me. That's actually nice. I like that. It doesn't seem cheap like some vinyl does. It's clearly printed. No splotches, no bare spots. Even the YouTube logo is really crisp. I like that. I ordered two, but apparently the other one's shipping from a different warehouse because it's not here. So yeah guys, if anybody wants to help support the channel above and beyond just watching videos, watching ads, sharing videos, the Teespring link is in the description, so you can roll there. You can grab, there's tees, hoodies, different women's tees, all kinds of different stuff on there. It appears to be super good quality, so that would help us out a lot. I appreciate it very much, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.